Good morning, children. Standard ninth, Geography, Chapter 1, Lithosphere, first, Endogenetic Processes. Introduction. The Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. The Earth has one moon. The Earth is the only planet with liquid water. The Earth is the only planet with living organisms. In this lesson, we focus about the internal processes of the earth. Geologists divided the earth's interior into three compositional layers. Number 1 core, number 2 mantle, number 3 crust. Have you ever wondered what our earth is made up of or what lies underneath the earth's surface? Spheres of the earth. Earth's surface area is about 510 million square kilometers, which is 197 million square miles. Freshwater covers about 1% of Earth's surface, 70% of water, 30% of land. The abiotic spheres are the lithosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. The biotic sphere is the biosphere. Here, all the four spheres interact and constitute the planet Earth. Lithosphere, solid outer part of the Earth. Atmosphere, thin layer of the gases that surrounds the Earth. Hydrosphere, watery part of the Earth's surface. The hydrosphere is the total amount of water found on Earth. Biosphere, life exists on the layer of the Earth. Structure of the Earth, the outer surface and the inner core are totally different in their nature and structure. The structure of the Earth's interior is divided into three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. Crust. It is the outer layer, means skin of the earth. It ranges between 5 to 30 kilometers. It is solid and rigid layer of the earth. The earth's crust is like the skin of an apple. It is very thin compared to other layers. The crust makes up 1% of the earth. The crust of the earth is broken into many pieces called plates. It is classified as continental crust and oceanic crust. The major elements of crust Sial are silica and aluminium, Sema, silica and magnesium. Mantle. It is the interior part beneath the crust. Its thickness is about 2900 kilometers. Its upper part, rocks, remain solid. Its lower part, rocks, remain in molten form. The major elements are silica and magnesium, termed as Sema. Core. It is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth. The major elements are nickel and iron, termed as knife. The core is divided into solid inner core and liquid outer core. Large quantities of iron in the core is responsible for the earth's gravitational force. The earth rotates on its axis. The liquid outer core spins over the solid inner core and generates the earth's magnetic field. This is responsible for the functioning of the magnetic compass. Due to high pressure, the materials in the inner core are unable to move and hence remain solid. So, in session 1, we have learnt introduction, spheres of the earth, structure of the earth, the crust, the mantle, and the core. Thank you.